All right, fellas, we are right back at it. So, had some lunch, thought about it a bit. I was trying to think about this a little bit. And I'm thinking this work is sort of like, I don't know what it is. You're looking for combinations here, right? So a combination is one of paired with, or like you're looking for pairs, right? You're looking for one with every other pair. So if you're looking for, let's say you have two sets, set one, set two, and this has one item and this is one item. If you're looking for all pairs between these two sets, it's just going to be one, right? Because you multiply all the items of one set by the other, and that's how you get as many combinations as you can get, right? So that's why if you have like a six-sided die, you got 6 in here, and so the amount of rolls you can do is 6 squared. And so that's sort of what we're doing here. If one set here, one set here. But we're looking at this in the case of shares, right, that each person has. Or the number of shares, the number of companies that a person has shares in. So if a person's got only shares in one company, if we find all pairs between that, we're going to get 1. And likewise, if they have shares in 2 companies, boom, boom, then the number of pairs that we're going to have is 2. If we have 3, then the number is going to be 9. So I notice we're starting to get something of a truth table when we do this sort of shit, right? It's sort of like we find the similar company ID in the 2 pairs, and then if it's the same, then we could just eliminate it. Or better yet, what would be perhaps easier is just if we remove all people who have 2 or less companies that they have shares in. Each person that has 2 or less companies that they have shares in. So if we take the cross product of employees with shares, or shares with itself twice. Oh, my dog's being a fucking asshole right now. Moose, you can quit barking now. Yeah, so it's way easier to find people who only have a share in one company. You take the, what is it now? The cross join of shares twice, and if the employee ID and the, what is it now? The employee ID and the my brain's why can't I fucking think and talk? I can think and I can talk. I can't do both at the same time. Yeah, let's go back to this shit again. So this is this side for two people. Yeah, just copy it over here. I fucking swear to Christ. Alright, so copy. Paste. This is a person with shares in two different companies. So if we do the cross product here, cross join of shares with itself, this is what we get. So what we can do is say, is this equal to this? True, false, false, true. Okay, sweet. I'm closing Teams. Let's not have that messages show up at the moment. Ah, this dog. We can also do a similar situation where we take this is equal, or we do not of the same thing. Not. And then we do the or of these two. Son of a bitch. True, true, true. Beaut. So now if we go back to a person with shares in three companies, which is the case for 101 here, we do boom. Say, okay, 1, 2, 3. Yep. And then we port this over. True, 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 true. Ah, dumbass. Okay. I won't be able to separate these out. But what I can do is just remove all people with who fit this definition and just select their EID. And then what I can do is say, okay, if you fit this condition, oh wait, no, everyone fits that condition. That's the problem. Okay, shit. Of course they will, because definitionally that's true. What things can I find out, though? Okay, we can take a look at the true falses here. And then let's get a person who's only got shares in one company. No, this is one. Okay. Okay, we'll just pretend this guy only has shares in one company. And then we do a cross product with himself there. Boom. Take this over. Boom. That's true. Okay. I don't want to do the fucking cross product twice. I really hope that I don't have to do that. So what the hell's happening here? What am I doing when I do this? It's almost like a truth table. Ish. Yeah, you're finding all possible combinations of 2 digits, essentially. Of 2 variables, 2 binary variables. Yeah, if you get the cross product, you get 3. So all you do when you do the cross product once, all you do is remove the true values. You're only going to get rid of the single ones, the people who only have 1 share. But if you just do a cross product with itself 3 times. So we've done the cross product here once, and then do it again. So we have 3 columns. So we got how many fucking people here? Oh. I'll just private the stream afterwards. I will also close WhatsApp. No. That's amusing. But yeah, instead what we'll do is we'll do this again, except with these fellas. So we'll move this over. And we'll multiply it 3 times. Boom. 1 for this row. 1's for this row. Yep, there. And 1's for this row. So C, V, V. Basically, what now we do is say, if this is equal to this is equal to this, false. Oh, what the fuck did I do? All right, so that should be all 1s, that should be all 3s, that should be all 2s. Okay, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2. Ah, that's where I fucked it up. Okay. I fucked it up again somewhere. Where'd I fuck it? 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2. So I just need to extend one of these a little bit more. All right, so this should be 9. That is 9. This should also be 9. Wait, 6, 6, 9, okay. Okay, there's only 8, so that needs to go down 1 more. Boom. Okay. Why does it say false when that's evidently true? One is equal to 1 is equal to 1. Oh, fuck off. 1 is equal to 1. No, that doesn't fucking work. All right. Oh, okay. What it's doing is it's setting it equal to true and then saying 1 is equal to true. Dummy. Equal function. I know what I have to do. Is equal to this, and this is equal to that. That's what I need to do because Excel's dumb. True. Beauty. Okay. So conditional formatting, what does this tell us? Oh! I did not foresee that. This is true. But these are not all equal to each other. 1 is not equal to 3, so that's false. 1 is also not equal to 3, so that's also false. False is equal to itself, which is true. Oh, Excel, why do you fuck me like this? Ah. Okay. Jesus fucking Christ. What do I do now? Oh, I know what to do. And that is equal to that. That should fix it. Fucking... How did I get more trues? What? All right, 1 is equal to 1, that's true. 1 is equal to 3, that's false. Order of operations. It's doing these together. Oh my... It's doing... Okay, 1 to 1 is true. 1 to 3 is false. It's then saying true is equal to false, which is false. And then 1 is equal to 3 is false, and then it's equal to each other. Oh my god, I'm actually starting to lose my goddamn mind. Like... Okay. Okay. There's been something I've been neglecting at this point. V. Okay. What happens if I do the product of all of these? Should be a square. No, I should not. Fuck. Okay. That doesn't do anything. Let's make some more room here. All right. This column is equal to this column. True. All right, this column is equal to this column. True. is equal to this column. True. So we're still getting a few funky trues here. Yeah. What if I do not here? It doesn't fucking help. How the fuck? How do you ensure they're all equal to each other? You use and, okay. Okay, Jesus Christ. So what have I managed to accomplish here? There's only 3 trues, and that's when all the variables line up with each other. Okay, that's always going to happen. That's not going to eliminate anyone's. So what I could do is, we'll take these 2 again. Yeah. And could decide, well, let's take these and let's do the cross product here. Cross product, boom. Let's take a look at these 2 columns and we'll remove all, I'll just keep this one to the side here and same here. Virgin copies. And so I then am going to check if this is equal to this. And if that is true, I'm going to remove it. Once I've then removed that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cross product with just the original one again. So we'll put him right here. Then we'll cross product this again. Boom, boom, move you down. Here, boom, boom. And then we check if all of these are true. Or, yeah, we use and we check if all of these statements are true. For fuck's sakes. False. All of these are false. Okay, so what does that tell us? It doesn't really tell us anything, does it? Because I'm going to get false for all the rest of them too. What happens if I keep all the true ones? I'll get rid of all the false and we'll just keep the true. No. Fucking why? What the fuck is this assignment? What the fuck is this question? Like if I just take the cross product and I say, take the left-hand side column, and if it's like a fucking company idea, and if it's equal to the right-hand thing, we'll just filter all that shit out. That gets rid of all the people who only have investments in one, but we know that's... Christ. That's fucking... I guess my strategy that I'm attempting here is I'm trying to find all the different pairs of shares with itself. And basically trying to figure out if there's any pairwise connections here that I can use to figure out, okay, this guy's got like 2 connections or whatever. Kill it. What? Yeah. This is the cross product of someone who has 2 shares. How might I be able to figure out if this is different from... I don't know. All right. So this line, we see that these shares are equivalent with each other. Okay. Okay. So because these shares are equivalent with each other, we'll remove it. Good. Now, what we will do... Yeah, cancel that. Now what we will do is we will take the cross product of the virgin thing with itself again, with this product. But then instead of comparing it with both, all we do is do another crosswise comparison. We could literally just select this, like the 2, 3, and then we will do this is equal to this. And we only select... And we could use, yeah, or we could use or. Or that is equal to, oh yeah, that is equal to that. So if this is equal to either one of these, then it means that you've only got the 2 in there. And this should be different for this one now. So let's take this, we'll do the cross product. Boom, boom, boom. Make room for 2, make room for 2. So if this is equal to this, get rid of all the true ones here. True, get rid of it. True, get rid of it. True, get rid of it. And then we move this over just a little bit. Get this back in here. And that's going to be the case for all of them. Copy, paste, move this down. Copy, paste. Boom. 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 And then if this condition also holds true, we get rid of it. But we're going to have a few falses left over. Yippee! And that's how we can remove all the trues. All the people who only have a investments in 2 companies and keep all the ones who have 3 or more, or like investments in shares in 3 or more companies. Sweet. And this should be generalizable. I feel like it should be easier though. We've already figured out how to get rid of people who have we've already figured out how to get rid of people who only have 2. What is it now? Shares in 2 companies. So what we could do is just figure out these people, the people who aren't in there. Yeah, they already get removed. Okay, so I don't even have to worry about this part. Yeah, because I'm only saying only keep it if it's false. If this condition is false. Okay. Okay. This should work. This should work. So we have right shares. Yes, and I want you to only keep it if shares.cid is not equal. Shares.cid is not equal to our shares.cid. Uh-oh. Execute query, 210 rows. Sweet. We've just gotten rid of everyone who's only got shares in 1 company, which means we shouldn't have gotten rid of anyone. But we will have gotten rid of a few rows. We will have approximately gotten rid of 17 rows? How many rows are we going to have? If we take group editor, if there's like 17 entries here multiplied by itself, then yeah, every 17 rows, we're going to have the same thing. So if I get rid of this condition, it should be 227. 289. Fuck, how many am I removing here? CID. Oh, right. It's if they are equal to. Right, if they are equal to each other. Like if this condition holds true, then we want to get rid of it, not that we keep it. Okay. So way more are going to be removed. Yes. No, that should still be right about the same. So we rename, shares to our shares. We get the cross product between the two, 289. And then all the shares that are equal to each other, like that have the same CID, should be removed. So how many is that? Oh, I'm thinking they're all unique when they're not. That's the problem. Okay. Keep only the ones that are not. And so then I need to do the cross product again with shares. I want to rename this to cross shares. Okay, C shares. What do you mean because of ambiguity? Works fine here. Oh, that they're all gonna have the same. Okay, shares, okay. So what I will do instead is I will rename another share to R shares. Shares of shares. And we will cross join these together. Fuck you mean. What do you mean non-unique? R share. Oh, L share. My bad. And so then we only want to select oh shit, I completely fucked that one. No. Oh, it should be identical. Okay, because they're all gonna have the same prices. Yeah, should still be thing. So how do I do this in terms of not true? Only keep. Oh, relational algebra. Well, it's not relational algebra. It's Boolean algebra. So that's a De Morgan's law right there, but I don't fucking think about De Morgan's law. So I want to only keep the options that are false. Oh, who's a tired puppy? I only want to keep the options that are false. If this is equal to this, or if this is equal to this, then we know that you've only got shares in two companies. It's only if this is equal to this, or this is not equal to this, is false, that we know. I can just use the not operator in here. Chickaboom. It's not the case that L shares, L shares dot CID is equal to shares dot CID, or that's an and, I need or shares dot CID is equal to R shares dot CID. What you mean? Hold on, let's keep query. There we go. We should have L shares CID, shares CID, R shares CID. Okay. query. And then we just want to select shares.eid. That's all of them. There's only 7 fucking people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. 2, 3. Should only be 1, 2, 3, 4 people in the result. It should be. What the fuck is going wrong? Oh, okay. I forgot the other very crucial thing. It is that the employee IDs are all the same, because if we go through here and we don't select employee IDs and then we go through the execution query, these are not all going to be the same. Employee ID all the way across. Yeah, I'll share. Okay. Great. Oh, this is such a clusterfuck. Okay. Just make this shit a bit easier to see. Equal to our shares .eid. I swear to Christ, I'm going to lose my fucking mind. Here we go. So in this case, all the rows, the R share and shares and R share should all be identical. So I only need to make this comparison with the and here between L share and shares. Shares. 74 rows. And then when I select select only shares.eid, employee ID, boom. Move this all up a bit by a tab. I should only get, I should be getting 5. 101, 102, 103. I think it's 103 that I shouldn't be getting. I shouldn't be getting 102 in here. What am I doing wrong? Oh, that's supposed to be L shares. There we fucking go. 101, 103, 104, 105. Competitor. 101, 103, 104, 105. Zen. I'm just gonna copy paste that in here. I am tired of it at this point. We're still only on exercise 2. I swear to fucking Christ. Shares from all the company. Okay, this one is fucking easy. This one's fucking easy. Oh, my head. I feel that one really shouldn't have been as difficult as it was. From at least 3 different companies. I feel like I should have been able to use division there. Oh, blah, 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 blah. Do I have time Thursday? Oh, fuck. Do I not have any time on the week? I don't have time Friday because I've got 2 meetings, one at 12, one at 2. Yeah. So as I said, this one's easy because all I have to do is just get all the CIDs from company and then divide shares by that and then just select for EID. That's a very simple one. Find the employees that have shares from all companies stored in the database. Do not use aggregate. Find all the employees that have shares from all the companies stored in the database. Do not use aggregation. Yes. Okay. So what I need to do is select CID from company. I then need to select shares. I need to select EID from shares divided by this. And that should give me the answer. Execute query 0. That ain't quite right. Because I know that there's a few people here that have shares and everything. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we should be getting 104 showing up. Yeah. Additional algebra. So what's happening here when we do... You'll just select... We'll just see what's happening in each case. Execute query. We should just be getting 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Beauty. And then we divide shares by this. Execute query. So 1, 2, 3, 4. He should be showing up because 104 has 1, 2, 3, and 4. 104 should be showing up. Don't know why it's not. Yeah. Do I need to select only EID and CID? Okay. Dumb. Yeah, that was hopelessly trivial compared to the other one. The other one I feel like... Yeah, the other one I feel like I'm missing something big time. So yeah, pi EID, CID from shares, and then just have that divided by pi of CID from company. Okay. So, exercise 3. Maybe yeah. very much difficult. I using cross to know the intended solution. Why is it generating it in Go? Rename shares 3 times. Okay. Sort of what I did. S1, S2, S3. Yep. And then select S1, SCD. That's essentially what I did, except it's a lot more of an elegant solution. It says C was a division pattern, but it did it with cross joins. Division style question. Yes, this is what I was looking for from the TA. Okay. For all division, there exists K distinct. Self joins, exactly K. Self joins plus difference. Okay, yeah. And at least K. All right. Hints. Oh, blah, 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 blah. Yeah. That was fucking hell. All right, just talking with my teammate for paradigms. I just need to quickly push my changes. La 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 la. Okay. CD University, LS CD Programming Paradigms, LS CD Course Project, LS. This is all the things. All right, get add dot git commit final changes and includes functionality in main to write to output files. Also contains those, the output files. I'll just files and then /m. Also includes the output files demanded in the project description. Git pull origin main. Up to date. Git push origin main. All right, pushed. Tuesday? How busy are my Tuesdays? Okay. That's done and out of the way. Oh, okay, I need to pee. I'm gonna get some water. Hello, I am back from water. All right. Exercise 3. Considering the following relational database schema that describes information of stores that sell bags and shoes, as well as the suppliers of the products. The relational schema supplier has a primary key, the supplier ID. The store also stores also the name and city of a supplier. The relational schema store has a primary key, store ID, that stores and all. Okay. Relational schema product has a primary key, the barcode of the product, and stores also the P name and price of a product, the ID of its supplier, supplier ID, as well as whether the product is shoes or a bag. If it is a shoes, then its shoes value has yes, and if it okay, that's kind of dumb. The relational schema has stock stores pairs of the store ID. The store ID stores and barcodes of the products as well as these stores sell, as well as the quantity of the product in that stock. All right, ChatGPT, please, for the love of God, can you generate me some dummy data for this? Okay. I'm probably going to review this again. Questions. Oh, magnifique. All right, with this shit, should be able to now put this into the relax schema. This is. Hey, you settle now. End of input found. Oh, okay. So it's just angry that I haven't thrown everything in yet. Okay. Okay, what the hell's happening here? Store ID. Yeah, it doesn't like the minus. Okay. All right, we'll close that for now and I'll thank it when it works. Oh, find the products that have wrong thing. Find the name of stores that have at least 2 different bag designs in black color. Do not use aggregation. This is similar to the last one, except I don't have to do as much fucking shit. Oh, okay. So, last time I used cross join 3 times to be able to make sure that it has 3 or more. Like an employee has shares in 3 or more companies. Now I just have to make sure that stores have at least 2 different bag designs. So I basically just have to do a cross product or cross join with of whichever one's holding the color make sure that it's a bag is yes in both, but make sure that color is not identical. So we'll go into the group editor here. That would be product. How much products do we have? Okay. Choose. So I need all the bags together. Oh, I haven't updated it yet. Oh, fuck you. Store ID, actually, underscore, there we go. At line 1. There is no problem. Preview. Shooby-doo bop 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 ba-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo bop boo da 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 ba da 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 ba da 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 ba da 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 ba da 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 ba ba do 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 do. Find the names of stores that have at least Dog's losing his fucking mind. Hold on. I'm gonna have to watch that back on the stream. So I also need to get stores, I think, because there is supply has stock. Yeah, I need to get the store ID. So what I need to do is join together product and has stock according to barcode, which is the only thing that is going to go between. I then need to do the cross product of that with itself. And just find the store ID and then use the predicate the barcode has to be equal to itself. It has to be a bag, and the color in one column cannot be the same as the color in the other. So we'll give her a shot. Let's play around with the database a bit first, because ChatGPT has been so wonderful as to give us all this fucking shit. So we're gonna go predicate it's a bag is equal to true for it's a bag. It's a Boolean, so I don't think I need that. Yeah, I can just set true. Product. And this should give us all the bags. Okay, so there's a couple of red bags, or black bags, or whatever. What's the assignment here? That I have at least 2 different bags in the color black. Do not use aggregation. Okay, I was getting that ass backwards initially. So color is the same, but barcode is not the same. Its bag is true. And right, need to do need to do the cross product of this with itself again. I could give this a name. We'll call it L bags. It's equal to that. No, just bags. Boom. So now we need to do the cross product of this with itself, which is give us 49 rows. And then we need to select all the things where the barcode is not the same. Wait. At least 2 different bag designs in a black color. Okay. So product color is equal to black. But barcodes are not. Oh, I could even just keep this in here. And color is equal to black. Execute query bags. There you go. Now we have all black bags. You could actually just take the barcodes here from this, because now we have all products that are black bags. We just need to take the barcodes. We could go to, this is supply, right, that I'm doing, or product? It's product, okay. Find the names of the stores that have at least 2 different bag designs in black color. Do not use aggregation. So what I could do at this point is then select barcode. Because we have all black bags at the moment that are in the product listing. And then we can do a natural join of that with has stock. And this should give us all the stores that have these bags. Execute query, 9 rows, beauty. So now we need to find the store ID that has more than 1. So at this point, we can cross product this with itself. And see if barcode is not equal to itself. Because, has store needs to be equal, but has barcode needs to be unequal. Black color, yeah. He was visiting my LinkedIn profile. That's some AI shit if I've ever seen it. Ignore. Okay. So yeah, that's gonna give me, oh, look at that. When I had more hair. Yeah, because if a store only has 1 black bag design, then if we cross product it with itself and we only select the ones where it has its store ID, but it's we have to select where the left side is not equal to the right side, then that's not going to show up. So I'll want to rename this to something so that I can probably more easily use it. Black bags. Black bag supply. Bag supply. Then I'll want to rename this again to right bag supply, R bag supply, so that I can, this dog, I swear to fucking Christ, join it with bag supply. Black bag supply. Could not find relation back black. I fucking defined it right here, you bastard. Oh. Rename columns. I don't want to rename a column. Oh, anti-join. What the fuck? All right. It's important. Okay. I don't want to just copy paste all this fucking shit again. R-bag. Order by. Oh, there is an order. Ah, wonderful. Group by. I remember the group by thing being very useful in R when I was doing it. Why the fuck am I itchy all over? Am I starting to get goddamn allergies? I've never had allergies for ages. Oh. Now I would love to be able to use black bag supply, or I guess just bag supply works better, and use this as a relation I guess I could join it. Bags are yeah, okay. Bag supply 2. Yeah, I'll try natural join with this called bag supply. I swear to fucking Christ. Bag supply. Hey, what do you mean you can't find it? I've defined it right over here, you dumb bitch. Ugh. Ugh, I don't want to have to fucking rewrite all this shit. No. No. I'm just gonna fucking do it, and the TAs can suck my gonads. Bag supply 1. Bag supply 2. 9 rows. Fuck you. There's natural join. It's supposed to be cross product. Numbnuts. Okay. 81 rows. Beauty. Okay. Fuck me. So what I want to do now is use the predicate that the store ID has to be the same. So bag. All right, I'm just going to do B1 and B2. Be done with this shit. B1 dot, what is it, store name? Yeah, store ID. Store ID has to be equal to B2 dot store ID. And that should be wedge. It is not. Fuck you. B1 dot barcode cannot be equal to B2 dot barcode. Why are you expecting that? Come on. Fuck you. Could not find B2 store ID in the... Oh, okay. Could not find B. All right, suck my fat gonads. All right, so could not find B2 store ID. So we should have... Why is it BY? And now it all fucking works. God fucking damn it. All right. And I want to select those store IDs. Find the names of the stores that have it. I need to do a natural join. Okay. So we do a natural join with store. No, not just yet. Execute query. All right, so now we want to select store ID. Rename columns operator. Yeah, because I only want to select at this point B1, store ID. It should be equal in both cases. So you fucking bastard. Okay, B1. I can rename it as I do it, can't I? I feel I should be able to do that. So we'll go with select store ID, but we'll rename store ID from B1.store ID. Can you please fucking work? That'd be appreciated. Yeah. So we're going to select B1.store ID. Run query, 3 rows, Butte. Tells me there's only 3 stores that carry more than 1 black bag. And I guess I'll just rename. No, I don't want to. I guess I could just rename the relationship. What are we expecting here? How the fuck is it supposed to be used? So you go to the help section. Rename column. The old and new column names in a list. See example. Substituted with. Oh, so I still need to use this. Okay. B1 dot store ID. What if I just get rid of this and just rename it store ID? Ah. Yeah, we're just gonna fucking roll with it. B1's us. You know what? Fuck you. All right. Okay. That should just be fine. That should be fine. Okay. And now I want to do a natural join of that with store. 3 rows. Sweet. And then I just select store name. S name, yes. So La Foire, Urban Steps, and Bag Heaven should, according to our group. La Foire, okay, yeah. Oh, where the fuck am I going? Okay, relational algebra. Urban Steps and Bag Heaven. Okay. Ow, my head. Group editor. Okay. So what were our black bag models? And barcode. And we throw this in here. Why? Oh, B1. Okay. Yippee. 9 rows. That ain't right. Oh, that's right. This is what I needed to do. This gives me all the bags. 104, 105, 107, 110, 12. Okay. Let me just actually get that. Screenshot it and paste it somewhere. Paint. All right, so product barcode 104, black bag. 105, black bag. 107, black bag. And 112, black bag. So the only people that should have it is La Foi. Well, La Foi should have two of these. 104, she does have 104 and 112. Yep, this should work. And then we said Urban Steps should be one that should have it. 104 is in there, and it's got 107. Beaut. And Bag Heaven has got 104, 107, and 112. And this one's got 101, 102, 103, 109. It doesn't have any bags. Okay. We're good. It's putting out. Ah! Oh, fuck. Oh, wow. Ow. Okay. Fuck. No. Oh. I swear to fucking Christ. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, how? Okay. Looks like I'm doing that one again. Oh, V. Nothing's in my fucking clipboard. Oh my god, I swear. Oh, you fucking bitch. Oh. Oh, man. Oh, fucking man. Doing it all over again. You know what? Not right now. No, I'm going to take a fucking break and get back to this later. I actually think I'm going to end the stream because I have to take the dog out for a walk. So we'll get back to this some other time.